What's up, everybody? So in this course, I'm going to be going through everything Airtable account management. This is the intro, so I'm going to give you some background on me, some background on the course, and like what's going to be included in it. So real quick, my name is Ben Green. I'm the owner of optimizeis, and what we do is we help business owners, maybe just like you, we help them optimize their information systems with stuff like Slack for communications, Airtable for asset management, Asana for project management, as well as connecting it with like Zapier and Integromat to connect Stripe, QuickBooks, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, and those kind of tools. So there'll be some resources at the end on how you can get help, but now what's going to be in this course is going to be a few things. So the first thing is going to be Airtable billing simplified. I know it can be confusing with the Airtable bases versus workspaces and all of that, so we're going to be going through everything Airtable billing, and we're also going to be going into what is the difference between like a workspace and a base. So we'll be going through the different account level sharing permissions that you can get with your Airtable database. Another thing we'll be going through is the API keys, how to get yours. I'm going to show you how to connect it with Zapier, and as well as how to connect some apps in your Airtable internal automations. So stick around for all of that, and then at the end we'll also be going through getting the most out of your Airtable account, some best practices that I've seen for having users interact with the data but maybe not be able to see the data, and really how to get the most out of every single Airtable feature. There's also another course if you haven't gotten started and learned how to use Airtable that I just released as well. It's how to get started with Airtable introduction. It has everything from views to tables to workspaces to bases to fields and everything in between on how to get started with Airtable. But for this one, at the end, we will also have a section on how you can get more help with Airtable, how you can ask questions to communities. So there'll be some Facebook groups, some Slack groups, some YouTube channels, and some add-ons that you can get to add them onto your Airtable workspace or database. So stick around for all of that, and I'm really excited to be your instructor for this course. And if you have any questions, you can ping me in the Built on Air Slack community or go out to my YouTube channel and comment on a YouTube video, and I can get back to you pretty quick. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed this course. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the course.